I'm Matt Bouchard with NAREIT's REIT.com here in New York City for REITWeek 2016, NAREIT's Investor Forum. Joining me for this CEO Spotlight is Tim Mihalick, President and CEO of Investors Real Estate Trust. Tim, thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me. Pleasure to be here.
Can you start by updating us on the company's portfolio repositioning and where those efforts currently stand?
As of yesterday morning, on June 6th, we announced our intent to further our repositioning effort of our strategic plan by exiting our healthcare and our industrial assets. In January of 2015, we also announced we were going to exit both our office and retail sides of our portfolio. Our intent is to move forward to become a pure-play multifamily REIT based in the upper Midwest of the U.S. And we're excited about the future and what that market holds for us.
So long-term, how will these changes and others that have been made help position the company going forward as well as maximize value for shareholders?
Well, one of the things we thought about as we evaluated the portfolio was to try to determine which asset class would maximize value for our shareholders. And as we searched out and discovered which we thought was the best, we concluded that the multifamily was the best asset class for our shareholders. And we believe as we look forward, we've got a long runway as we reposition the portfolio to multifamily.
Now, the company's obviously felt the impacts of the energy sector. Can you talk a little bit about your expectations for the second half of the year and any other factors that are impacting fundamentals in your core Midwest market?
You know, from the energy impact perspective, we certainly have seen the western half of North Dakota feel that. Williston, North Dakota specifically, where we've seen a downturn in oil and the recovery not back yet. Minot, North Dakota, which we also can consider as an impacted energy market, has seen a recovery. We're back to strong occupancy levels, probably around the 95% range. So we feel like the rents there have reset and the markets are coming back. Expectations for the balance of calendar year 2016, I think as we look at it, we expect pretty slow and steady growth. This is pretty typical in our parts of the country. So from a fundamental perspective, we don't see a lot of unexpected things to happen.
Tim, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
For more from REITweek 2016, be sure to visit REIT.com.